Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change phone number on Facebook. The first thing is that make sure you're using your main account on Facebook, not the secondary account. Then tap on your profile account at the top here, and then you tap on settings. Go down to profile details, tap on it, this icon here, pen icon, and tap on manage contact info. So you see your contact information, so tap on the one you want to change. Then you can delete the number, but if you do this, you're not going to be able to use the number to log in, to reset your password and receive notifications. But note that you may not be able to delete this number from account where it's the only contact method. So after doing that, you can also tap on confirm number. When you tap on confirm number, here you can now change the number and enter the new phone number you want to use. And once you do, you tap on this here, that means you want to use it on Facebook, and you tap on next. Then the code will be sent to your email. Send the code back, and then you tap on continue. Follow the prompt and tap on. Once you follow the prompt, it will be true. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change phone number on Facebook.